energetic, very motivating. I loved him. I'd watch him over and over again.
He's always entertaining. It's always lighthearted, and you always take away something that you can use.
He brought you right in, and you wanted to just cling to every word.
The question is, what makes something, someone, somewhere irresistible?
He is energetic, in-depth, detailed, thorough, absolute expert when it comes to marketing.
Energetic, informational.
Absolutely loved it. Up, great, energetic. Makes you laugh. You really want to listen to what he has to say.
Just has a big heart, and he's a lot of fun, and would definitely come back and hear him again.
What makes something, someone, some experience simply irresistible? What makes you or your product service offering simply irresistible? If something is simply irresistible, you just have to have it, don't you? Or at least you want to find out about it. The problem with most marketing today is that positioning is weak or unprofitable. The message is as bland as spam, and marketing ingredients are not integrated for maximum effectiveness. Hi, I'm Andrew Szabo, the marketing chef, the creator of Simply Irresistible Marketing. I create recipes for revenue generation to help your offering become simply irresistible. And I'm privileged to be sharing a strategy to make 2018 your best year yet. I will share the 3 key ingredients to becoming simply irresistible. By positioning yourself profitably, by crafting a message that is relevant, persuasive, and compelling, and thirdly, to effectively integrate marketing ingredients to create a special sauce, a special marketing sauce that delivers superior returns on your marketing investments. So I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, January the 24th at 11:30 at the Plano Chamber of Commerce. Don't hesitate, register now on the Plano Chamber Events website, and I'll see you at 11:30 on Wednesday, January the 24th.